What's up, YouTube? So right here we got TPOB Slime 2. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. When you open the box, it comes like this. This is a clipper, and I will be getting to that. Comes with your manual, with your guards, a brush to clean your clipper and the oil. Your guards from the 116 to the guard number 6. Your charger, and this is your charging stand. So with this product, the TPOB Slime 2, you get a charging stand, and that's pretty cool. I really thought that was really cool. So, without further ado, let's check out the clipper. All right, so here's the clipper. Let's take it out of the bag. Ooh, nice. It has that lovely green color there. A nice green. So with this clipper, it only has 4 clicks. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I thought that was pretty unique about them, that they only have 4 clicks, because every other clipper usually has 5. But yeah, one more thing. With this clipper, it's really affordable. I believe it's 58 something on Amazon, cheaper. So I would really recommend this to be a starter clipper for your business or starting off cutting hair. So with this clipper, it's a hard plastic, really hard plastic. It's really nicely built. You got the TPOB X blade, and yeah, it's a pretty nice clipper. I'll be showing you more videos of how this clipper performs and before and after haircuts with this clipper. So stay tuned. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned.